Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good morning. Today I would like to present my review novel, but before I start to tell you the story, let me introduce myself first. My name is Firda Malia. I'm 5th semester in Department of English Education, Faculty of Tarbiyah and Teacher Training, State Islamic University, Syarif Hidayatullah, Jakarta. Today, I would like to tell you my review novel with the title Accident by Daniel Steele. Yeah, in this novel, there are some main characters. There are Paige, Brad, Andy, and Ellie. They are happy family. And Ellie and Andy was children of Brad and Paige. Paige was a good mother and good wife, and she always cared her children and her husband very well. And Brad was a businessman, so he was so busy, but he didn't forget to care or to give attention to his children. And another character was Tregeef and Chloe. Chloe was Ellie's best friend, and Tregeef was Chloe's father. Alright. This is a happy family. They live very happy, and uh, they uh, they always grateful for everything they have. But there is a disaster that against this family. It started when Ellie permit to Paige to go to Chloe's house, and at that time Brad wasn't at home, and Paige at first didn't allow her to go to Chloe's house, but every child, if she or he want to get something, he or she will persuade her mom to uh, to allow her or him. So at least Paige allow her, and yeah, she uh, she asked her not to go home late. After Alice left home several hours, uh, Paige get the phone from police, and yeah, the police told that her child Ellie got accident when she want to go to party with her three friends. Hearing about that, Paige was so shocked, and she didn't believe that Ellie had lied her. And yeah, she regret about the allowance she gave to her. Paige didn't tell it to Andy, her son, but she uh, directly called Brad and asked him to go home earlier. But yeah, Brad still has a lot of work, and he didn't come earlier. Yeah, right. Uh, Paige actually decided to go to hospital by herself, and yeah, and in the hospital, the police uh, told the truth about the incident, and yeah, Paige didn't believe what happened uh, about the accident that happened with her her daughter. And Alice want to go to the party with her three friends, and one of them was Chloe. So yeah, she told her mom that she want to go to Chloe's house, but actually they go to the party. And Paige didn't have any strength when she must face her her daughter lying on bed hospital. And yeah, she was crying, and she regret about the accident that happened with her daughter. But after that, uh, uh, three gifts child, Chloe also get injured too, but it's not as bad as like Ellie. But yeah, three gifts at least decided to meet uh, Paige and give support, and yeah, he get the motivation to to Paige, not to be sadness about what happened, but you must give the strength to her child, her daughter. Yeah, at that time, Paige just cry, and she just pray about the uh, Alice condition. And several days after that, Brett come to the hospital, and he met Ellie. And after he met Ellie, he do the unexpected thing to uh, Paige. You know that Brett tell the truth about his secret during this time. Brett has another woman in his work, and yeah, it broke Paige heart, and Paige didn't believe about what happened with her family. She was so depressed, shocked, sad. Yeah, she disappointed to him because it's not the proper time to tell about that. Because yeah, she was so sad about Alice's condition, and Brett edit addition her pain too. At least Paige decided to divorce with Brett. Yeah, uh, Andy realized that his father left home, and it caused the question what happened with his family, uh, and at least Paige tell the truth to his son, and yeah, it make Andy was so depressed about that, and every day Paige and Andy go to the hospital to meet and to accompany Ellie that lie on the bed. She was coma, right? So it was so hard to Paige that she must do hardest thing in her life, to worst thing in her life. But uh, Paige didn't learn. She told her story to Three Gift because yeah, she didn't have a friend. He didn't have any friends. She just have Three Gift on her side, and Three Gift always be a good listener to her, and he give motivation, suggestion. She also give advice to her. Yeah, Trigif was a widower, so he had been at page page position. Yeah, at least Trigif uh suggests her uh not to what is it not to keep her sadness, but she must move on and rebuild her family again. Yeah, Three Gift also give the support to Andy because he was so pity. He's still young, but he must face the worst thing in his life. To in to decrease Paige and Andy's sadness, Tregear held a small party in his garden. He invited Alice's friends and also Paige and Andy to come, and they are happy for a moment, and they don't forget to pray for Alice's condition. After several months, Alice show her better condition. She get conscious, and yeah, she start to recognize everyone in her round. So it make what is it? Paige was so happy, and he start to he get her spirit again, and from that Paige uh, give thanks to Tregear because during this time Tregear always uh, beside her and give support to her, and yeah, Tregear give positive effect for her, and Tregear has the feeling that he keep it for long time. Tregear was falling in love with Paige, and he want to have relationship with her. But at first, Paige didn't believe about that because she was trauma about her failed relationship before. But from look his effort, she start to love him, and yeah, she need uh, Tregear very much. At least Tregear and Paige have a relationship, and Tregear's plan to marry with her after Alice after Alice uh, go out from hospital and she back to normal again. Okay, so Tregear and Paige start to rebuild their family again. They start to bridge their children to get close, and they start their happy life, and yeah, they will married and happy ever after. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.